As expected, market is struggling in this particular zone. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you are a new trader, completely a beginner, then please watch my videos on YouTube channel Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners. I have uploaded around 32 videos so that before risking your hard-earned money, you have proper knowledge about the functioning of the market. Because see, I receive many comments every day where people are losing money and they do not know anything about chart. Okay, that is very wrong. Okay, so before risking your hard-earned money, please learn about the functioning of the market, how the charts work. Okay, how to identify buy levels, sell levels, candlestick patterns, indicators. Okay, if you go through these 32 videos, then you'll get a basic idea about the functioning of the market. Okay, please watch these videos before risking your hard-earned money. And if you are a beginner and you want to learn from me personally, then you can go to my website avilashajarka.com/workshop and you can contact me personally. Okay, but please watch these videos first. Anyways, let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of USD and as we all know, the market is in downtrend. We can clearly see that. But if you have watched my previous video, you know the importance of this particular price zone. Because see, trading in a downtrend market or trading in any trending market is always easier, because you just need to find the support or resistance and then you need to do the thing. If the market is in downtrend, you can short the market at resistance, and if market is in uptrend, just go for buy at the support. In this case, 50 moving average was acting as a resistance. So whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 MA and it was coming down. So market was plain and simple, easy as pie. Whenever it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average, we were shorting the market. But things have changed right now. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know it pretty well why the things have changed. Because see, market is in downtrend. Okay, overall market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but if I tell you to look at this particular portion of the chart, what do you think? Market is still in downtrend? No. Overall market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. But as of now, market is in a tight range. Okay, because easily we can see on the chart. Because see, this thing has happened because there is a story behind it. Okay, for that I would like to take you to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and in the weekly chart, see, you can see that market is in heavy downtrend. Okay, market is coming down. Okay, since 23rd March 2020, so market is in downtrend for more than 1 year. Okay, but after reaching this particular price level or current market price, market is in a tight range. This thing has happened because there is a support available to the market, and this support belongs to the year 2017. Okay, so in the year in the second week of September 2017, market formed a support, and right now market is standing at a support. That's why market is unable to go down right now. Buyers are present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down. They are trying to take the price upward. Okay, and if you're thinking this support belongs to 2017, it is far away, it was long time back, then I would like to show you this level. In the year 2015-2016, market was in heavy uptrend. Okay, just look at this bullish pressure, and after reaching this particular price zone, market started going down, and this resistance belonged to the year 2016. So my question was, sorry, if a resistance from 2016 is a valid resistance, then a support from the 2017 will be a still a valid support, and we can easily see that okay, market is respecting the support for 2017. And my point was, okay, there is a there is a good amount of possibility that market will be seeing a battle between the bulls and the bears, and we can easily see market was in clean downtrend. Okay, but after reaching this particular support level, market is struggling, market is not going downward. Okay, therefore our strategy is simple. Okay, strategy is simple, and the strategy is that there is no strategy. Okay, right now you do not need to trade, because see, overall market is in downtrend, for more than 1 year. And so if you go ahead and buy right away, you will be risking your hard-earned money, because this is not the proper way to trade. Market is in downtrend for more than 1 year, therefore you should wait for at least 2 to 3 days. Once market crosses this particular level, once market gives you the confirmation that yes, bulls have joined the party again and they are trying their best to take the market upward. Once you get the confirmation that bulls are back to the party, okay, once market crosses this level, then also wait for, you need to wait for 1 or 2 days for the confirmation, because downtrend is there in the market for more than 1 year. Therefore right now you should not buy. Okay, and you should not sell also, because I have already shown you in the chart that right now market is standing at the support in the weekly chart from the year 2017. Therefore market is a no trading zone. Okay, you should just observe USDCAD as of now. That's it. Okay, be a safe trader, be a good trader, and never ever compromise with the trading discipline. Okay, follow the proper discipline and risk management, then only you can become a successful trader or consistent profitable trader. Okay, so as of now your duty is to observe the market, observe USDCAD. That's it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up. Bye bye, take care.